Welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. So the thing is that you won't be able to do that from your Twitter application. So in order to disable this option, you'll have to open the web browser and search for twitter.com, and of course you'll have to log into your account. After that, at the top left corner you'll see that there is an icon with your profile picture. Tap on that, and then you'll have to go to settings and privacy. So right here at the settings and privacy section, as you can see, there are a bunch of different options that you can choose from. So right here you'll have to choose the option privacy and security, and then you'll have to choose this option, the content you see, and tap on that. So as you can see, there is the very first option right here, displays media that may include sensitive material. So what you'll have to do right here is check this box right here. So in order to disable the Twitter sensitive content, you'll have to make sure that this option right here is toggled on. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.